The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
Speaking to the American consumer, I think it's a statement that the American consumer is in fantastic condition, great shape.
Federal Reserve reporting that Q4 household net worth fell by $3.7 trillion in the fourth quarter to $104.3 trillion. It was the largest drop in net worth since the financial crisis. That was a huge decline in the value of equities.
The consumer is, generally speaking, in excellent shape, and I think is going to continue to buy.
Unbelievable. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast, around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Welcome aboard. Unbelievable, isn't it? These people, these TV financial shows, these jibber jabbers just mask any bad news. It's like we're stupid. Like we're sitting on the world's longest stupid bench. And they keep taking parking space in our head. Everything's wonderful. Everything's great. Just read the headlines, which they don't care because they just mask the headlines with their garbage. U.S. debt levels are absolutely exploding. That's one headline today. The ECB slashes growth forecast for Europe, meaning Europe is tanking. That's one of the big reasons we're down 267 points right now, because the economy in Europe is terrible. Remember trucking? Did you see all those trucking ads on TV? We need drivers. We need drivers. Get started with trucking. Remember all that? Well, no more. No more. Trucking boom has imploded. Imploded. Whole Foods. Remember the great idea about minimum wage? They're going to increase minimum wage. Well, how'd that work out for Whole Foods? They're slashing work hours. They're laying off people because it didn't work. You got to incentivize people. The problem with Cortez and all these other socialists, they don't want to incentivize people to work. Clinton was the only liberal who wanted to incentivize work. He cut the welfare rules in half by incentivizing work, rewarding people. Cortez program, something for nothing, to remain dependent on government forever. In fact, one of her programs, everybody has a job. But if you don't want that job, you get the same pay for not working. It's unbelievable. You know, I couldn't believe, I was watching Geraldo, what he was saying about Cortez, who is one of the most dangerous people on earth. And if she's not dangerous, her policies are very, very dangerous. But Geraldo, I couldn't believe he's in love with her. He's just in love with her. It's unbelievable.
You know, I may be the only person in the country who supports both Donald Trump and Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. The reason I am generally supportive of her is that she has been a tremendous inspiration to young people.
So you want her being an inspiration to young people to take parking space in her head to be young socialists, young communists. This is what he's saying. What he's saying is insane. She is encouraging what we are seeing today in Venezuela. She's encouraging what we see in Cuba. And so Geraldo, who is a socialist, he's not a Republican. Last night he said he's a Republican. He's not a Republican. He's a liberal Democrat, but he says he's a Republican so he can stay on Fox. He is liberal as they get.
I'm not arguing socialism versus capitalism. I think she's...
Well, wait a minute. You should be arguing that. If you're encouraging the young folks to follow this Cortez, this communist socialist, big teeth, are you kidding?
I'm not arguing socialism versus capitalism. I think she's a great example to the youngsters in that congressional district. And
she's not a great example. She's a horrible example. How can you say she's a great example when she is proposing that to young people, don't work, we'll give you either a job, and let's say the job pays $300 a week, but if you don't want to take the job, you don't want to work, we still will pay you $300 a week. And what's he saying?
I'm not arguing socialism versus capitalism. I think she's a great example.
That's a great example? Are you nuts? She's a great example of what? She's economically illiterate, for God's sakes. She probably can't even count change. You are an idiot. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Her program is considered to be the most brutal act of social policy ever. And let me tell you, how many trillions have we paid for welfare since Lyndon Johnson came up with the welfare program? War on poverty. Well, I hate to tell you, we lost the war on poverty. We lost the war on poverty. The war on poverty was a vast expansion of welfare. You don't lift people up by giving them welfare, giving something for nothing where they can stay on the dole, on the government dole all their life. That's not how you lift people up. They don't want to be lifted up. Matter of fact, I said yesterday, if you look at the middle class, you know how they're always, we hear every day by these jibber jabbers. Wow, look at this. Wages are up big, 3%. Wages are up big, 3%. Fantastic. But when you go and drill down, you see that the middle class, which, by the way, is what you need to have a democracy. If you're going to redistribute wealth, you want to build the way you redistribute wealth is building a huge middle class. Matter of fact, that's what China's doing right now, building a middle class. It's just absolutely insane. I forgot my thought on that, but I'll catch up to it later. But Cortez program, okay, she remember, the middle class is just totally shrinking, and she's going to shrink it even more. Their income is not 3%. They weren't participating in 3%. They got like 1/3 of that amount. They didn't get a 3% increase. They got about 1/3 of that increase. Cortez program destroys work ethic, destroys families by paying moms to be single. What the hell is that? That's trapping poor into poverty. But that's what liberal socialism is. That's what the Democrats want, to keep you trapped in poverty. That's how they win elections, by making you poor. Look at Detroit. Look at Chicago. They've been run by Democrats for decades. And that's how the same people get elected year over year over year. You keep them poor, give them something for nothing, and you'll get reelected. And that is what the Democrats are all about. Oh, believe me, the Republicans aren't any better. They're all about making sure that they take care of the very, very, very wealthy and take care of the corporations and leave the middle class out. Nobody's looking out for the middle class. At least the poor, they're getting all kinds of benefits. Middle class, nobody's looking out for them. We'll be right back. Take a look at some stocks. The market is now down over 200 points.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1 percentile? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
I will make sure that all the stocks that we are engaged in that are going up, we will get maximum returns, and we will be out of those stocks by watching our color-coded chart. You never again will have to worry about being out of an individual stock or an ETF or an index when the market crashes. You will be out before it does happen. All you got to do is join my gang, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. I'm reaching out to you. All I'm asking you to do is to reach back to the kids at St. Jude when you're making money.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Do you have plenty of potatoes but no corned beef? Want to learn how to maximize your profits in the stock market? Then join Phil's Gang. Phil Grandy will teach you everything you need to know so you can buy as much corned beef as you'd like. Turn on your computer and go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. And happy St. Patty's Day from Phil's Gang.
Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And if you want to participate in Stock Corner, I'll take a look at your stock. The number is 855-745-7445. That's 855-745-7445. Call that number. I'll take and answer a question only on one stock now, one per person. That's it. And it's 855-745-7445. I'll put it up on my color-coded chart, and I'll tell you what you should be doing with that stock. Okay? Buy it, sell it, hold it, short it, or run like hell. Okay. We're going to take, I'm going to, again, let's go, let's go to the callers right away. So, and then we'll go over this other stuff later. All right, so we're going to go to Harry.
Hello.
Good, Harry. How you doing?
Good. Yeah, I want to know. I'm holding AT&T, and I want to know whether I should sell, hold, or sell short.
Okay. Well, right now, let's take a look at T. Put up on my chart. If you want to follow me, just go to philsgang.com.
Well, I'm on my cell phone.
No, I know that. But if you want non-gang members to listen to me, if you want to follow me, you go on your mobile device and you can just click on live and you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, so right now, how long you been in AT&T for?
A couple of years actually.
Okay, ooh, you really held on to that. You've gotten hit. Yeah. Okay. Well, here's what you want to do. Right now, this has been tanking in the last year. And but right now, I would not be buying AT&T. Right now, we got a sell signal coming in, very hard sell signal. You can see it's just turning red. If it starts dropping below 28.92, and it remains red, where the institutions are pulling their money, then start shorting it. If it holds here and it starts going back up and gets above 31.58, then you can start buying again. Okay.
31.58.
Yeah, that's the only place you can start buying. It's got to clear that, and it's got to be green. But right now, it's red. It means it's the first day that the candlestick turned red, which means the institutions pull their money. Okay, hope that helps you out.
Now, would I be better off selling short or
just do nothing right now. And
but if it hits 28.792, you say?
Yeah, sell
short. Should I buy puts?
No, sell short. Don't buy puts. Sell short. Okay. All right. Again, if you want to participate, 855-745-7445. All right. So let's talk a little bit about, I'll get back to Cortez and all that nonsense in a minute and the economy, but I want to talk a little bit about the economy. I also want to talk about some stocks right now, because the beautiful thing about the market now, remember, the economy is going to get hit here. The market's going to get hit. Remember I told you on January 16th of last year, I said we were going to have a crash in 2018, and we did. And then it was interrupted. President Trump stopped the crash. He got his plunger team together, and he started to force the market back up, because remember, he made a big mistake and tied himself to it. He always says, judge me by my performance by the stock market. So he doesn't want this market to go down. But there's no choice. You see, here's the problem. All of the jibber-jabbers, right? All the jibber-jabbers are sitting out there and just lying to us. Listen to this guy.
Whatever we were worried about, we're not worried about anymore. Powell met with Trump. Everything's fine now. So
everything's fine now. So let's talk about that for a minute. Everything is absolutely fine. So in the last 12 weeks, they've been telling you, these TV jibber-jabbers, everything is just fine. It's wonderful. Don't worry about it. Now, he doesn't care that the ECB just slashed the growth forecast for Europe. Europe's tanking. He doesn't care. He doesn't worry about the global economy is starting to sink. And when the global economy hits, we get really hit, okay? Because remember, we depend on a strong global economy to sell our machinery and everything else. And example, remember, as I said, we talked about the trucking boom. It's collapsing. Remember how the trucking boom was strong and no longer. Whole Foods Whole Foods, they just getting rid of all. They're slashing hours for workers. They're cutting workers. The trade deficit, budget deficit is soaring. And when you have budget deficit and trade deficit soaring, that is a killer. At the same time, when the economy's declining, think about this. We are spending far more than we're taking in. At the same time, our economy is is not growing, it's decelerating. So the economy is decelerating, but we continue to spend more than we take in. And that's why our economy, our GDP, our growth has gone from 4% in the second quarter of 2018 to the first quarter we're in now. They say at the end of this quarter, we won't even grow 1%. Never mind 2 or 3%. It's like 0.3%. So we're going from 4.2% growth to 0.3%. Oh, but he's saying, don't worry, everything is fine. With trade deficits, budget deficits, and the GDP's going down while those two are going up? Are you kidding me? Look we know the economy is on the brink, if it already isn't in a recession. They've been ignoring the 30-year Treasury against the 3-month Treasury. There's supposed to be 3% difference. They're not even 0.25% difference. It's never been wrong in 40 years. When you total up all forms of individual debt, you as consumers now owe $14 trillion. They're in the hole. $14 trillion, and Americans 60 and older account for $86 billion of the $13 trillion. They're drowning in debt. Why do you think the economy's not growing? Why do you think people are behind in their car payment? And consumers are flush. Americans now have 480 million. Think of this, 480 million credit cards. That's what's been keeping the economy up is credit cards. Without credit cards, we'd be in a deep depression. 480 million credit cards. That's about 100 million more than during the last recession. And we've got a historic debt, $870 billion in credit cards, and we've never had so many people delinquent as we have now. The national debt, nobody talks about this, $22 trillion. What about this? The interest payment on the U.S. national debt hit $192 billion for the first third of this year. That's the most interest ever. Oh, they don't care. Everything's just fine. What are you, nuts? We'll be back with some good stocks.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the markets open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Now, you want to mitigate losses by shorting. When you see your chart, your candlesticks turn from green to red, you just sell short. Listen to this. They're holding instead of selling short. That's how stupid this is.
Daniel in Michigan, thank you so much for the question. CenturyLink is coming off a 52-week low. He's holding a position at a loss. Time to add more or get out? Great question.
Great question. I'm holding the position at a loss too, unfortunately. But I'm still holding it, and I'm comfortable with it. The investment case is still intact, and I believe that's still to be true. They have a ton of fiber, I think close to 500,000 miles of fiber. This has been one of the noisiest, messiest stocks that I've owned in a long time.
Yeah, so she's just going to hold on it. Messy stock. They're holding a lot of fiber. What are you, nuts? This stock, okay, if you were with the gang and this was your stock, the stock turned green. We had a buy signal on this stock. Let me make sure I get that. That was that's CTO or CTL. CTL. So I'm going to put up CTL here. This is unbelievable. She's just holding on to this thing, CTL. And CTL is just all red. They're pulling out their money, the institutions. CTL has dropped from about $22 all the way down to about $12. That's more than 50. I think it's about 50%. So she's saying, and she's laughing. She's laughing. She's holding on to it. Oh, and why is she holding on to it? The fundamentals. Listen to the reason why she's these stupid fundamentals. Listen.
Daniel in Michigan, thank you so much for the question. CenturyLink is coming off a 52-week low. He's holding a position at a loss. Time to add more or get out? Great question.
Great question. I'm holding the position at a loss too, unfortunately. But I'm still holding it, and I'm comfortable with it. The investment case is still intact, and I believe that still to be true. They have a ton of fiber, I think close to 500,000 miles.
Who cares? They got 500,000 miles of fiber. They should put it around your neck and hang you. Are you kidding? The stock, all the institutions, if you had my chart and you were in the stock, you would have gotten out. This thing has dropped, 50%? This thing is still red, and she's holding on. And what she's saying is she keeps adding to her losses on the way down. Never add to your losses. Never cost average down. That is stupid, stupid, stupid. You add to your position going up. Stop with this idea, I'm going to average my losses. What are you, nuts? You turn around, flip it, and mitigate your losses by selling it short. So my members who are in this stock CTL, so they're making money as it's going down. So let's say they made between 20 and 50%. She's holding the old, I'm going to hold it, and I'm going to keep buying more of it as it goes down to lower my cost. What are you, nuts? Here's another one. Listen to this. This is Jim Cramer telling somebody with FNKO.
Yeah, hey, how's it going, man? And I had some extra funds that I got from my folks, and I was thinking about throwing it down on some Funko, ticker FNKO.
We like Funko very much. Why do we like Funko? Because they had a blowout quarter. I think it's actually pretty good.
Oh, they had we love Funko. It had a blowout quarter. And your parents should be proud of you taking their money and throwing it down the toilet, you idiots. Unbelievable. Listen to this. This stock, if you were a member and this was your stock, you would have picked up about, I think it was 20% on the way up. It started to turn green right around $14. Say $15 rather, $15. And then it turned red around $20. So you went from 15 to 20. You put 33% in your pocket. Now it turned red. So you're going to take that money and put it in your pocket. Or you can turn around and sell, just hit the short button because it's red. And this thing is going down and it's red. It's been red for 3 days. It's on its way down. And he's telling them he likes the stock, stay in it. What are you nuts? What's wrong with these people? See, the people really think guys like they're on these financial shows on TV, they know something they don't know. They think they're cool. They know something they don't know. They know nothing. They know nothing. All they're doing is turning around and trying to pump, trying to get you excited. They want you to buy. That's the whole idea. Be independent. When you buy a stock, lose your opinion, so you don't lose your money. When it turns green, you buy. When it turns red, you know the big institutions are pulling their money out. That's why it turns red. Try it, for God's sakes, for 1 month for $39.95. And you'll also be helping St. Jude. We tell our members, you don't have to help St. Jude if you don't want to. That's okay. We don't know how many. We don't know who donates or not donates, so you don't have to be embarrassed. You don't donate. But there's nothing better than St. Jude, for God's sake. 1.8 million a day to keep the doors open. And the childhood cancer, leukemia, is the worst in the world. And that's been beaten down. It was a 4% cure rate in 1962. And today it's a 90% cure rate. This is a research hospital. Wonderful. I know my son has cancer, so I know all about it. And what a wonderful facility, wonderful place. So please, first, do yourself a favor and try to open your mind a little bit to not getting out of your 401k totally. You'll never do that. I get that. You'll stay with the 401k. Even though the returns on a 401k are horrible, even though the 401ks, remember, they don't work for you. The 401ks were never intended to help you, never intended to benefit you. The 401ks are set up to benefit your employer and the mutual fund industry. They pick the worst product, the worst mutual fund, underperforming mutual fund. They stick it inside that 401k, and they're making a bunch of money. You're losing money. The fees are just absolutely horrible. 27 hidden fees. And they bury all these fees, like custodial fees, legal fees, transfer fees, all these fees, they bury them. They bury them. And you don't see it, and it's costing you a fortune. Costing you a fortune. The 401k is it's an experiment that went bad. And that's why we have a retirement crisis. Why do you think people talk retirement crisis? If 401ks were working, we wouldn't have a retirement crisis. But people just put their money in. They follow the cattle, the herd mentality. They don't understand either when they take a job and they go, oh, you're going to match? Oh, yeah, every dollar I put in, my employer's going to put in $1. Oh, I'm so excited. What you don't get is they're not doing that. The slot that you're filling, they have a price point, what the salary's going to be. If they know that they have to match every dollar you put in with one of their dollars, what they do is they adjust the salary downward. Downward. They never match, because the salary, instead of being at $65,000, they bring it down to, like, let's say $58,000. You're paying for your own. It's such a scam. It's unbelievable. You never can get the money out when you need it. It's hard to get. I'm not going to go all day with that. And the hidden fees are the worst. So the point is, right now, the market is going down. Learn how to sell it short. Join my gang. Do one stock with me every day at 2 o'clock. We post what you're supposed to do with that one stock. Do that for 30 days and learn how to make money when the market goes down. This way, you don't care about whatever they're saying on TV. We could care less. We could care less if the stock's going up or the stock's going down. We just in the last couple of days shorted 3 stocks. One, we're already up 4%. All 4 of them were up 4%. What, in 2 days? That's pretty good, I would say. Join my gang.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed, because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere, because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Do you have plenty of potatoes but no corned beef? Want to learn how to maximize your profits in the stock market? Then join Phil's Gang. Phil Grande will teach you everything you need to know so you can buy as much corned beef as you'd like. Turn on your computer and go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. And happy St. Patty's Day from Phil's Gang.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grande hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
MPC, our chart, this is an oil stock, MPC, it turned red, meant the institutions were pulling their money out, so we positioned our members to be short. So just in a couple of days, they already have a 4% return. You don't make 4% return all year on your 401k because of the fees. Same thing with JetBlue. We only been in that a couple of days. Turned red. It identified institutions pulling their money out. Same thing with Hewlett-Packard. So in the last 2 days, we did MPC, JetBlue, Hewlett-Packard, about 3 days, and we have a 4% return already. Now, I'm not guaranteeing everybody I can give you a 4% return in 2 or 3 days, but I'm giving you an example. If you follow me, you join the gang right now. They're waiting for your call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. Just try it for 30 days. And how you start is just pick one of the five stocks. Do we offer brand new gang members? Working investor. Just do one with us. Follow our instructions every day for 30 days. We put them up at 2 o'clock. And if you do exactly what we tell you, there is no question you're going to make more money than you ever would make in a 401k. So check it out, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Now, you've got to learn to be in a position, no matter what these people say, what they don't say, you just got to discount it because they don't tell the truth. I mean, listen.
Speaking to the American consumer, I think it's a statement that the American consumer is in fantastic condition.
How can it be in fantastic condition? How can that be? When he's spending more than he's taking in.
People are feeling flush in their accounts, spending more than our income coming in. People are...
Are you kidding? And then they tell you.
The consumer is, generally speaking, in excellent shape.
Well, if he's in excellent shape, then why is it that 7 million consumers can't make their car payment? Why is it people can't buy houses? Why is it that housing, new housing, existing home sales are all down? Because they can't afford the down payment. Because wages aren't going up enough. Because inflation and cost of healthcare, everything. This is just nothing but all they do is lie. So you know what you do? Don't listen to them. Think independent. Don't listen to the Republicans. They're horrible. They're cockroaches. Don't listen to the Democrats. They're cockroaches. They're horrible. Depend on your own wit. Depend on your own brain, your own common sense. Stop this herd mentality. If you don't stop with this herd mentality, this hope you're going to find somebody that's going to make money for you in the stock market. You're your own hope. You're smarter than all of them put together. Because remember, they're there to con you, to make you feel good. Are you nuts? This is crazy. So again, listen to this here. You're talking about con. Listen to this. Remember, the Democrats aren't going to let the Fox network have the debate. Here's the guy, the head of the Democrat, the DNC.
Our second North Star principle in these debates is to make sure that whichever network runs them ensures that our candidates are treated fairly. Because what we have seen now is that at the highest levels of Fox News, they're not playing it straight.
Wait, whoa. They want to. What's he looking for?
Our second North Star principle in these debates is to make sure that whichever network runs them ensures that our candidates are treated fairly.
Okay. Oh, do you mean like when Donna Brazile leaked the questions to Hillary Clinton before she answered them?
My gosh, this Donna Brazile story is a little bit of this too.
Donna Brazile authored a piece for Politico and it's essentially a post-mortem of what happened in the 2016 race.
Admitting that she, in fact, did send town hall debate topics to Hillary Clinton's presidential campaign while she worked for CNN.
Yeah. But put CNN on. Don't put Fox on. Give CNN a chance to carry the debate, but not Fox. But it was CNN and Donna Brazile who leaked the questions to Hillary Clinton. And remember, it was the DNC who screwed the nutcase Bernie Sanders.
Whichever network runs them ensures that our candidates are treated fairly.
Oh, I get it, fairly, that your candidates get the answer before the question's asked. I get it. CNN. Yeah, CNN, that's what they do. I get it. Look, why would we be so lucky to think anything that involved with this whole group, whether it's Wall Street or politics, they're all tied into each other. Why would we be so lucky to think they're going to do anything for us? You got to do for yourself. All I can do is give you I'm 73 years old. I've been in this business for over 40 years, 45 years. I designed a chart first for myself, the algorithm to spot when money's coming in and money's going out, because I learned that once they got into discount brokerage, there's no more honesty in the stock market. Because before discount brokerage, your broker actually worked for you. He was making $250, $300 a commission. He really worked for you. But when discount brokerage went from $250 to $300 down to $5, they began to buy the stocks first, mark them up and sell them to you. That was it. It was over. Didn't you learn that with the IPOs? They start the IPO at $10 in the morning and the afternoon would be $50. How do you make money when you go and one of these brokerage firms, you want to buy GE, but they buy the stock first, mark it up to you. So you're buying retail, and then you got to try to find somebody you can sell it retail to. You nut? That's nuts. What you should do is simply take a stock, use my algorithm, use my chart that turns green when you buy and red when you sell. I know it sounds so simple. You think it's a toy. I get that. Believe me, I get that. I get that. But let's take a look at KR. KR, that dropped what? It dropped about 20% today. Okay, when it reported. My chart warned us 2 days in advance. It was red. Go to my site, philsgang.com. Click on if you have a mobile device. Look, 2 days in advance, my chart turned red. It told you the institutions pulled their money out. They had the information 2 days in advance of when they decided to give the earnings. 2 days in advance of the earnings. So you would have been out and you would have missed that 20% drop. How about Kraft? Kraft KHC, same thing. KHC, 2 days before it dropped 20%. 2 days. It was red for 2 days. So you have two stocks that dropped over 20% each. Both of those charts turned red. You had a warning on both the Kraft and both on this KR 2 days in advance. Oh, I see. You trust the people on CNBC and Fox and all these financial programs because what? They got a fiduciary relationship with you?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
Wait a minute. That doesn't make me feel warm and fuzzy that someone's telling me I'm going to give them my life savings. I'm going to put my money in a 401k on my company. And what? All you care about yourself and your partners? I'm not involved with any kind of fiduciary relationship with you? That the fees? You have the biggest skimming operation in the country? The 401k through 27 hidden fees. 401k has the highest fee structure on earth of any retirement account. But people still go to them. People still think they're being charged a fee. The returns suck. 3 to 4%. We just made 4% on what? MPC, HAL, JetBlue, Hewlett-Packard in the last 2 days because it turned red and we shorted. Are you kidding? This is a skimming operation of 401ks. That's all it is. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's set up to benefit the employer and the mutual fund company. And here's the other thing. Isn't it amazing that they just won't tell you the truth, the state of the economy? They just won't tell you the truth. They won't tell you. They refuse to tell you the truth. And that's the problem. So why are you listening to these people? I mean, between the budget deficits, they're ignoring the budget deficits. We have a bad, we think of all the bad economic news, both here and in Europe, but you don't hear about it. 12 weeks of fake China trade narrative, markets going up, but they're not telling you underneath, they're ignoring 4 months in a row. We're having big declines in our economy. They didn't tell you that. We do here at Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Let me help you. You help St. Jude. It's a win-win for everybody. They're waiting for your call. Try it for 30 days.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.